Welcome to Fun Factory. Let's learn and have fun together. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting adventures.
Once upon a time, in a lush, vibrant forest filled with shimmering lights and singing trees, lived a brave little rabbit named Remy. He heard whispers of trouble as magical creatures, like the glittering fairies and wise old owls, began to vanish. Determined to help, Remy set out on a quest into the heart of the enchanted forest. Along the way, he met Bella, a clever squirrel who had seen strange shadows lurking near the ancient oak tree. Together, they followed a sparkling stream that led them to a hidden glade, where the air buzzed with enchantment. There, Remy discovered a grumpy troll named Grizzle, who had taken the creature's magic to stay young forever. With courage bubbling in his heart, Remy approached Grizzle and challenged him to a riddle competition. If Remy won, the magic would be returned. If he lost, he would be trapped forever. The riddles danced around them like fireflies, and with each clever answer, Remy's confidence grew. Finally, with one last riddle, he outsmarted Grizzle. The troll, realizing the importance of friendship, returned the magic, and the enchanted creatures reappeared, filling the forest with joy once more.
And remember to stay fruity. Please subscribe, share, and like, and we'll see you next time for more fun.